How to open a Forex demo account. Hello everyone. Today, I will guide everyone on how to open a Forex demo account in the simplest and most accurate way. To open a Forex account, access the following address. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a Forex account. In this video, I will give an example of how to open an XM account. I will access the XM website at the following address. With other Forex brokers, you can change the broker's name. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing XM. To open an XM account, click Get Started. XM requires you to complete the information including country of residence, email and password. Please fill in the information in order. For your password, use 10 to 15 characters, use one or more numbers, use one or more English lowercase letters, use one or more English uppercase letters, use one or more special characters. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Click here to agree to XM's conditions. Then, click Register. XM has sent you a verification email. Open a new tab to access your Gmail. This is the email that XM sent me. If you can't find the XM email in your inbox, click on More. Then, click on the Spam section to check. Now, let's open the email XM sent. Click Verify Email. If you want to open a real account, you must upload documents to verify the account. For opening a demo account, verification is not required. Now, go to the My Account section. This is where you manage your trading accounts. XM has divided the account into two parts, Real Account and Demo Account. This is the MT5 standard real account that XM created for users. And this is the MT5 standard demo account that XM also created for users. Now, I will guide you how to open another demo account. Click Open Additional Account. Click Custom Demo Account. Let's start. Set up your trading account. Click here to select the trading platform. You can choose the MT4 or MT5 platform. I will choose MT4. Regarding account types, XM offers standard and ultra-low standard accounts. I will choose standard account because it's popular and suitable for everyone. Next, select leverage, base currency, and investment amount. Then, click Continue. The final step is create a password for your trading account. Please note that the password must use 10 to 15 characters, use one or more numbers, use one or more English lowercase letters, use one or more English uppercase letters, use one or more special characters. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. After filling in, click Complete. So your demo account has been successfully created. Now, click Go to Members area. This is the demo account I just created. To log into the XM account you just created in the trading platform, you need server name, login account number and password of the account. To find your account information, click here. Click Account Information. This is the Account Information table. You can find the server name and login account number here. If you want to change your trading account password, click here. Then, select Change Trading Password. Now, you can log into your account and start trading. You can refer to the video tutorial, how to download and use MT4 and MT5, which I have given in the description of this video. Thus, I have finished guiding you on how to open a Forex demo account. I wish you success in the account opening process. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.